Hello, good afternoon. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can delete all your WhatsApp images and also videos from your phone gallery. See, for example, I have faced a practical issue with the WhatsApp photos. The people who send WhatsApp message, all my phone storage got filled up. There is not even enough storage so that I can receive few more photos. That's the reason I want to clear empty all the photos from the WhatsApp, only from the WhatsApp. Now that is very easy. So on your mobile there will be an app called Files, Google Files. So this is the default file manager on the Android mobiles nowadays. Okay, see here, this is the recent, right? And here you will have a column called, under the categories you will have a column called images. Remember 3 years back I did a video tutorial, but that procedure is quite harder or complex, and this is easy. So when you click on images, just filter it to WhatsApp images. See here at the top, if you scroll like this, you will see WhatsApp images. And now at the three dots, click on this, and at the right top you will see this three dots. Tap on this and click on select all. See, now 1612 images got selected, and you may ask, if I want to unselect that, unselect the required photos which you want to keep on your Android mobile. And now see here, there is a trash icon, right? If you click on the trash icon, all the images, 16 not images gets deleted in a single go. I'll be pressing on the back button, and now I'll go to the videos here, videos, and now same, filter it to WhatsApp video, same, select all, and if you want to delete, you can click on choose delete. I hope this video helps you. If you feel this is informative, I just want to ask you one thing: give a like for this video so that I'll get better reach. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.